Welcome to the Pembrokeshire Family Challenge Cooking DVD. My name is Kath and I, together with some of my colleagues, will be challenging you to cook some healthy, tasty dishes for you and your family to make and enjoy together. We have taken 6 dishes that might usually be considered unhealthy and have adapted them so they are now healthy and will satisfy many of the nutrient needs required in a balanced diet. The recipes have all been designed so that they require few ingredients and are simple and quick to prepare. The Family Challenge project is a health and wellbeing project in Pembrokeshire. It uses a whole family, home-based approach to motivate families to take more physical activity and eat healthier food. The challenge has been running for 3 years and is now in its closing stages. Over the course of the project, my colleagues Helen, Nikki, Margaret, Lisa and I have developed a unique programme for meeting the needs of those who have taken part. Families enjoy a range of activities, including improving cooking skills, learning healthy recipes and doing various physical activities like tennis, football, swimming, walking and even occasionally running. We hope you enjoy using this DVD as much as we have enjoyed putting it together. It was put together with the help of Kate Smith from Public Health Wales and has been designed so you can dip in and out, selecting one recipe to practice at a time. At the end of each recipe you will find an Eat Well plate which shows, at a glance, which food groups the main ingredients come from, so you can see the overall nutritional balance of the meal. We hope that using this DVD will also give you the confidence to adapt some of your other favourite family meals to make them more healthy and satisfying as well. There are a few health and safety issues that everyone needs to be aware of when preparing food. Thoroughly washing your hands prior to touching any food is essential for parents and children alike. Ensuring all surfaces and equipment are clean, especially any chopping boards that have had raw meat on them. Thoroughly wash with an antibacterial cleaner. All knives should be stored in a safe place and out of the reach of children. Similarly, turning handles into the cooker or using a back hot plate so children cannot reach them and emptying kettles of hot water after use are all good measures to take to ensure the safety of children. Finally, thoroughly wash all raw fruit and vegetables under a cold tap before you serve them.